Okay, first of all, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this time, I will take with my group presentation, a group online assignment to take a video presentation, on UX design, and then we will the presentation, heuristic evaluation and UX design case study for the website, peterbus.sa, which is the Swedish coach tour operator platform. And then this presentation is based on our online assignment. Okay, first of all, I wanna introduce my teammate. First, it's me, Muhammad Farhan Adinata Mozi, with student ID E26041917, and then Muhammad Naufal Dzaki Deanasvha E26041737, and then the last is Tzai Hzeng Wan, with student ID E26039092. Okay, okay. Next, we have structured our analysis into 5 key chapters as outlined in UX design. Like first, we have the introduction. We will explore the business profile of Peterbus, like their target users and how people interact with their current site. And then the second, we have a good design. Like we will highlight what the website is already doing well. And then the third is bad design. Like we will analyze three critical usability issues backed by concrete screenshot. And then fourth is hypothesis redesign. We will diagnose the root cause and share our low fidelity wireframe solution. And then the last is reference, like setting the KUX standards and guidelines backing our research. Let us start with the introduction and business context. And then next slide is introduction. We have a website overview and purpose. First, we have who, like to give you some background. Peterbus AB is a family-owned Swedish coach tour operator established in 1988, and then specializing in SPA, yeah, SPA, and then and wellness tours to the Baltic region since 1997, and then their website is peterbus.sa. Like serve purely as an informational marketing catalog where user can browse in itineraries, schedules, price, and company credential. And then the primary user are older Swedish traveler seeking wellness tours alongside community group organizer. Because of this, the conventional model is currently offsite, and user cannot book or pay directly online. They must browse the information and call or email the company to complete their booking. And then currently that user interaction on the site are extremely basic. It is almost entirely a read-only experience with first static menu. We have menu of only 5 top level. They have a ham, SPA Reserve, Home, Boss, Bra, Beta, and Facebook. No drop downs, no search bar. And then the second is a simple play pause carousel like this. The only true on-page control on the homepage, a single pause button on the rotating. And then the third is read-only price table. The static table of dates and cabin tires, no date clicker, no filter by trip type or budget. And then the last is Boca rest of site, or the and the sidebar widget that routes user of a site booking contact.
Hello, I'm Tzai Hzeng Wan, and I'm going to present good design analysis. Let's start with the good point. The website shows Trace.is travel guarantee from Kamakalakis and partnership with Sija and Tawisap. The scripting language is simple and easy for older user to understand. The website also explains its history clearly and has only 5 menu items, so navigation is simple. The next slide is non-responsive table. For the non-responsive table, the first problem is SPA freezing tables. Some columns are cut off and user cannot see the full information. There's also no signal that they can scroll. This makes the table difficult to use, especially on small screen. It may have been copied direct from a spreadsheet without being redesigned for mobile device. Slide I will explain the booking button. The second problem is the booking button. The Boca Racer button is small and placed is the sidebar. It also books similar to the partner logo, so user may not realize that it's a button because it's small and difficult to notice. First time visitor may not know how to book a trip. In this slide, I will explain inconsistent unstructured content. The third problem is inconsistency. The Facebook page shows incomplete posts, while the Omis page suddenly uses a different font style. The difference makes the website look less professional and less organized. In this slide, I will explain one root cause and three symptoms. Our hypothesis is that these problems have the same case. The website was probably created using a basic WordPress theme and has only been updated with new price and content. The overall layout and design have not been improved for more than a while. Thank you for listening.
Okay, so we propose fixed sketch. Here is a low fitted leaf wireframe. Move the booking widget into to the hero where it's large and impossible to miss. Replace the broken table with the responsive card grid and replace the raw Facebook embed with one consistent current card format. Next, here's the summary comparing every issue we found to its purpose fix, pressing the booking call to action content and trust the signal. Uh, we also built a full interactive prototype to demonstrate this working browser, the booking which is now sits directly in the hero which won the consistent design system throughout. Our evolution draw on nails usability heuristic and fits law lesson here in full. And this is the prototype, the redesign of the prototype like this. Wait, this one. Okay, thank you for watching. That's our heroic evolution and redesign of the Petersburg AB.